In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an offset plane in Fusion 360 using the most efficient methods available. Creating design geometry relies heavily on construction planes, and being able to offset them accurately is one of the most fundamental skills you need to master for complex 3D modeling. Whether you are building components that don't align with the default origin planes, or you need to start a sketch in a very specific location in 3D space, this tool is going to be your best friend. This method is perfect if you are working on mechanical parts, organic surfaces, or anything that requires precision across different layers of your design. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert Fusion 360 tutorials. To get started, you first need to have your project open in the design workspace. Look at the top toolbar and find the Construct menu. This menu is where all your non-physical geometry lives. Click on the Construct menu, and from the drop-down list, select the very first option, which is Offset Plane. This tool allows you to create a new plane at a specified distance from an existing one. Once the tool is active, the first thing Fusion 360 will ask you to do is select a reference. This is essentially your starting point. You can click on one of the three default origin planes, or you can select any flat face on an existing body you have already modeled. Once you click your reference, you will see a blue selection highlight and a golden arrow appearing on your screen. Now it is time to set the distance. This is where you define exactly how far away your new construction plane will be. You have two ways to do this. You can either grab the blue arrow and drag it manually to move the plane dynamically, which is great for visual positioning, or for more precision, you can enter a specific numerical value into the dimension box. You can even use negative values if you want the plane to move in the opposite direction of the arrow. Take your time to ensure the placement is perfect for your specific project needs. Once you are happy with the position, the final step is to confirm the plane by clicking the OK button in the dialog box or pressing Enter on your keyboard. Fusion 360 will now create a new construction plane that is perfectly parallel to your original reference. You will see this new plane listed under the Construction folder in your browser tree on the left-hand side. You can now start new sketches on this plane or use it as a boundary for extrusions. It is a simple tool, but it is incredibly powerful for advanced modeling workflows. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to create an offset plane. If this video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe button to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.